everyone, my name is Mohammad Siraj. I am studying in second grade B section. Today my topic is New Seven Wonders of the World. Every country has a few monuments which showcase its history, tradition and culture. Certain monuments are built in commemoration of particular events or people. Among these monuments, seven of them are considered to be the best in the world by 100 million people. Let us see what those monuments are. First is Chichen Itza, second is Taj Mahal, third is Cristo Redeemer, fourth is Machu Picchu, fifth is Colosseum, sixth is Petra, the last one is the Great Wall of China. Chichen Itza is an ancient city located in Mexico. Taj Mahal, a complete marble structure, is located in India. Christ the Redeemer is the statue of Jesus Christ in Brazil. Machu Picchu in Peru is also known as the lost city of Incans. Colosseum is a Roman era stadium located in Italy. Petra is a historical city in the country of Jordan, is also known as the Rose City. The Great Wall of China was built during the rule of the first emperor of China. Thank you.